after Sergeant T. Ben Boudreaux returns, now with the news you need.
Thank you, Here's the news you need now. Brought to you by Gattuso's Neighborhood Bar and Restaurant, 435 Huey P. Long Avenue in Gretna. President Obama interrupted his Martha's Vineyard vacation and returned to Washington, D.C. And now we know why. He was meeting with advisors who were helping him plan his next vacation. In Ferguson, Missouri, a spokesman for the new Black Panther Party said the National Guard is antagonizing the situation. And that's the new Black Panther Party's job. According to reports, former Meet the Press moderator David Gregory will be staying out of the public eye. He's getting a show on CNN. Expendables 3 bombed at the box office, making Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger more expendable than ever. Congratulations to Kelsey Grammer and his wife on the birth of a baby boy. Fortunately, at Grammer's age, he gets up twice a night anyway. In Cedar Park, Texas, a woman was so desperate to visit her boyfriend in jail that she stole a $3.99 bottle of Mad Dog 2020 to get herself arrested. Ironically, the boyfriend makes better wine in his self-toilet. And finally, happy birthday to unpopular local teabagging crackpot and irrelevant radio extremist Jeff Crouere. If you'd like to send a gift, nobody cares. That's the news you need now. Sergeant T. Ben Boudreaux reporting for 94.3 WTIX FM.
94.3 WTIX.